Hi, this is Mommy and your Mommy Negosyo. And in today's video, I want to share with you my answer to the question, what are the effective methods to expand a business with limited capital? This is a question that was asked by Claribel in our free 30-minute mentoring call. Now, before I forget, if you have not done so, may I invite you to hit the like and subscribe button so that you'll be notified when I answer more questions like this, okay? So, what are effective methods to expand the business with limited capital? Now, like most Pinoys, Claribel also thinks that the problem with growing her business is capital. So again, in this video, I'd like to mention that with my experience sa pagme-mentor ng more than 1,000 business owners now, what I learned was that if your business model is clear to you, it's clear to your customers and your staff, and you are all working together to implement the model well, capital should not be a problem for your business to grow. Inexplain ko ito sa previous video about how I expanded my business with limited capital. We will be putting the link below. Now, since Claribel believed that capital is a problem, and baka kayo, you may also think the same, let me give you my 3 tips for how to expand a business with limited capital with the use of technology. The first way is to tap into the power of social media. Letter A under that is to create a Facebook page. Kailangan meron tayong presence sa Facebook, which is still the most widely used social media in our country. Especially yung mga merong purchasing power and who are most likely to buy your products. So kailangan natin merong Facebook page para sa negosyo natin. We need to share updates, post photos of our products or services, and engage with customers through comments and yung Facebook Messenger. Kahit na ayaw nyo na mag-spend sa Facebook para sa boosting of your posts or run Facebook ads, which is a little bit expensive now, it's still a good investment to keep your page alive. Buhayin natin siya, no? Hindi pwedeng 2019 pa yung last post natin. Hindi pwedeng ganon. So that yung mga tao na gustong mag-check sa ating Facebook, makikita nila na buhay pa tayo. Even if we don't have a website, just having a Facebook page will allow people to check whether we are still an active brand or not. So letter B under this is to use Pinoy-centric platforms. Marami namang ibang platform. Maraming popular social media platform na tulad ng Instagram, YouTube, Twitter hindi masyado, or TikTok. What I would advise is for you to observe and understand paano ginagamit ng mga ibang Pinoy itong mga platforms na to, especially your competitors. Tapos, from there, tailor your content to resonate with your audience. Siyempre, hindi pwedeng puro gaya-gaya lang. Kailangan mag-a-adapt tayo sa ating mga audience, di ba? So, these are inexpensive ways para ma-reach natin yung ating mga audience through these platforms. Now, ang pangatlong technique na ginagawa ng maraming tao is using influencers. Now, engage with influencers. Just for a few thousand pesos, you can collaborate with Filipino influencers, mga vloggers who have a significant following sa inyong target market. So makakatulong sila sa pag-promote ng negosyo ninyo so that yung mga followers naman nila will increase the awareness of your brand. Sometimes this can actually be even cheaper than running ads online kasi meron akong natanong na magkano bang binabayad niyo sa influencer? Yung iba daw ay mga 3,000 lang, a few thousands lang, kesa naman yung mag-a-ads tayo tapos hindi tayo sure. Ang kailangan lang talaga natin is piliin yung mga influencers na influencer ng ating target market. So kung ang tina-target natin ay high school students, sino bang mga influencers na pinupuntahan o pinakikinggan nitong mga high school students? Hindi pwedeng yung mga influencers na popular sa mga nanay or sa mga lola. Hindi babagay, right? Using social media is the first way. The second way to expand a business with limited capital is to build strong community relationships. It's about relationships. So, paano natin gagawin nito? First of all, what we can do is titingnan natin ano may mga local events sa ating mga calendars, mga fiesta, mga tiangge, mga trade fairs ng DTI, at saka yung inyong local na church or chamber of commerce. At marami pang mga ibang community events. Even pag nag-attend tayo, yung iba kasi ang reklamo nila, Mami, hindi naman ako nakakabenta ng marami napapagod lang ako. What I'd like you to know is that even if you're not able to sell a lot in those events, marami kang opportunity doon doon mismo na matawag yung pansin ng mga taong dumadaan. You are exposed to opportunities to introduce and to showcase yung mga products nyo or services nyo so that makita kayo ng inyong potential customers. And siguro, other than potential customers, meron ding mga ibang business owners that you can collaborate with. Kung minsan yung katabi mong booth, yung pala ang magiging ka-collaborate mo in the future, malay mo. So keep your eyes open. Be always on the alert. A second way here in building strong community relationships is support local causes. May mga causes tayo, may mga charities or mga community projects na align naman sa ating business values. Hindi lang tayo nakakatulong sa ating community but it also enhances yung reputation ng ating mga negosyo. And nagkakaroon tayo ng positive na dating, no? Positive image among our customers. So an example of this is giving, for example, free cooking demos of healthy food if you are selling healthy food or healthy ingredients. So, meron bang mga organizers ng mga tiangge for moms of kids with special needs? Probably that's something that you can support, di ba? So, kahit na wala kayong kikitain doon, just your presence there will make people aware of you. Next, the third way here is to foster word-of-mouth marketing. Dapat, automatic na to sa atin, ano? So, it means that kailangan yung ating customer service ay exceptional, kakaiba, para pag-usapan tayo. Now, this is another thing that you need to focus on. Hindi lang yung quality products or services. Yung customer service, talagang automatic yon dapat. So, when your customers are happy, they are more likely to recommend your business to their family and friends, which is napaka-powerful na marketing tool dito sa mga community natin. Tayong mga Pinoy, gustong-gusto nating mag-share. That's one of our qualities that I don't see a lot here now that I'm in London. Yung mga tao dito, kahit nakapitbahay mo, talagang ngitian lang, good morning, ganun. Very, very respectful sila, pero hindi talaga sila wala silang community tendency as much as tayong mga Pinoy. While we are here in London, actually, we met Christine, no, a Pinay who works as a cashier in a local grocery store. Now, dahil nagbigay siya sa amin ng awesome na customer service, we became friends. And now we are telling all our Pinoy neighbors na, hey, meron doon yung grocery na yon, merong Pinoy doon at napakabait niya. Ang pangalan niya ay si Christine. And therefore, dahil okay yung kanyang customer service, pati yung tindahan where she is working is benefited because of the word of mouth that we are scattering about her and her store. Ang pangatlong way where we can expand our business with limited capital is to offer value for money. Now, what this means is that, first of all, we can provide yung mga options na affordable. Dapat meron silang pagpipilian. So, regardless of how much money we have, tayong mga Pinoy, we are price sensitive. So, we need to be sure that we offer products or services at prices that are competitive. So, kailangan nating maka-attract ng mga customers at hindi lang customers na isang klase, kundi a wider range of them. Iba-ibang klase. So because it's a wider range of customer base, we need to be able to offer affordable alternatives without, of course, compromising on quality. So para sa customer na to, ito yung quality, ito yung price, ito yung price, ito yung price. At maybe different quality levels, of course. So, ang very good example niya na natatandaan ko sa mga SM supermarkets, di ba? Ang SM supermarkets, hindi yan pang D&E class, no? It caters to class A, class B, and upper C markets even. Lahat ng products nandoon, merong mga mamahalin, merong mga imported, but then, meron din silang alternative products na which are made under the SM bonus brand, di ba? So, these are for the price-conscious people. Hindi kasing ganda yung package dahil SM bonus lang, pero yung laman naman is not as bad. You get value for money. Next, offer promotions and discounts. Again, sabi ko nga, tayong mga Pinoy, mahilig tayo sa promo at sa discount. Remember also na kailangan nating mag-run ng mga promos and offer discounts tuwing merong mga holidays. Minsan nakakalimutan ko yan hindi ako nakakapag-plan. What I did was to really have a calendar of events so that I can refer to it again and again. Holidays, fiestas, or special events na nandoon sa certain locality. So for each branch that we have, each one has a different calendar. Siyempre, iba-ibang barangay yon, iba-iba yung mga activities. Once you have that, it can entice your customers to choose your business over your competitors. Kahit na department stores nga, tsaka online selling platforms, hindi ba? Nag-iisip sila ng kung ano nung mga way para to attract people to buy with their payday sales, 3-day weekend sales, midnight sales, para magkaroon tayong maraming mga reasons and occasions to buy from them. Next is to focus on preferences of the people in that region. Bawat region, iba-iba ang preferences. Hindi pare-pareho. Kailangan maintindihan natin na yung ating taste at preferences, bawat area ay iba-iba and therefore dapat iba-iba rin yung ating mga products, iba-iba rin yung ating mga services. Dahil the Philippines has 7,100 islands or more, kaya medyo watak-watak tayo at bawat isang barangay kung minsan or bawat isang province merong ibang kultura. Kaya we have to cater to their needs. For example, if you are in a Muslim-dominated area and you have a food business, consider offering popular non-pork versions of different dishes para sa mga Muslim because bawal sa kanila yung kumain ng merong baboy. Kahit na yung iba, no, they are so strict that they do not even want to eat in a restaurant that serves pork because syempre pag hinuhugasan daw yung pinggan ay nagkakasama-sama. We need to be sensitive to these things. Yung iba nga, just for the restaurants to be appealing to the Muslims, they really do not serve pork at all. So remember, etong time na to, with technology, this is an awesome time. Napakaganda, napakadaling magnegosyo. For us in the micro and small businesses, kaya na natin ngayon, no? With technology, we can now compete with the giants in the industry. Dati sila lang yung merong malalaking budget para sa mga ads. But now, you can expand the business with just a limited capital and it is even easier. Continue to find ways to use the power of social media, tapos mag-build ng community, strong community relationships, at saka offer value for money. You can effectively expand your business and connect easier and faster with your target market, your customers, di ba? So, was that helpful? I hope it was helpful, no? Dahil si Claribel, nagtanong siya ng question na to in one of our sessions nung one-on-one free Zoom calls on our Q&A Tuesdays. So if you too have questions or if you are interested in learning how to grow your business by growing your people, please tell us in the comments below, dyan sa baba, and we'll get back to you. So if you need free business mentoring, remember, free naman ang aming Q&A Tuesdays na mentoring. All you need is to register in the link below. So till next time, this is Mami and your Mami Negosyo saying, be business-minded, Pinoy! Are you struggling to figure out what kind of business to start? Have you been changing your mind about different business ideas? I understand how frustrating and confusing it can be not knowing what business to start. It can make you feel stuck, unhappy, and unsure about which direction to take. But guess what? I have developed a program just for you. The Discover Your Business Calling program is designed to guide you on a journey of self-discovery, helping you find the best business idea that resonates with who you are. It also provides you with the guidance and support you need to make a confident decision and to take that leap toward a fulfilling entrepreneurial journey. Don't let the pain of not knowing what business to start hold you back any longer. Enroll in the Discover Your Business Calling program today so you can experience the joy and satisfaction that comes from building a business you love. Check out the description box below for the link to enroll. See you there! If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. And when you do, it helps us reach more people and more business owners can learn from us. By subscribing, you're part of a big group that shares helpful information and supports each other. Thank you very much for your support and see you in the next video, okay?